Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hard reset Obsidian. A hard reset can be useful when Obsidian starts behaving unexpectedly, a plugin causes problems, settings become corrupted, or you simply want to return the application to its default state. The good news is that this process only affects Obsidian's application settings and does not delete your notes or vaults. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reset Obsidian safely and get it running like a fresh installation again. Before you begin, it's a good idea to completely close Obsidian. This ensures that no settings files are being used while you're making changes. If Obsidian is still running in the background, close it from the taskbar or system tray before continuing. The first step is to open the Windows plus R. It will open a command and type %appdata% exactly as shown, with a % before and after the word appdata. Then press Enter. This command opens the roaming appdata folder, which stores configuration files for many applications installed on your computer. Once the folder opens, you'll see a large list of application folders. Scroll through the list until you find the folder named Obsidian. If you have many folders and don't see it immediately, use the search box in the upper right corner of File Explorer and type Obsidian to locate it more quickly. After finding the Obsidian folder, click it once to select it. At this point, you have two options depending on how cautious you want to be. The first option is to delete the folder entirely. Right-click the Obsidian folder and choose Delete. This removes the application's configuration files and forces Obsidian to generate new default settings the next time it launches. The second option, which many users prefer, is to rename the folder instead of deleting it. Right-click the folder, select Rename, and change the name to something like Obsidian Backup. This approach is safer because it preserves your existing settings in case you decide to restore them later. Once you've either deleted or renamed the folder, the hard reset is essentially complete. The next time you open Obsidian, the application will not find its previous configuration files. As a result, it will automatically create a brand new settings folder using the default configuration. When Obsidian launches after the reset, you may notice several changes. Your theme will return to the default appearance, custom hotkeys will be removed, interface layouts will be reset, and plugin settings will be cleared. Community plugins that were previously enabled may need to be activated again. It's important to remember that your vaults and notes remain completely safe. Obsidian stores your notes separately from the application settings, so resetting the program does not affect your actual content. Your files, folders, attachments, and note structure will still be available when you reopen your vault. After the reset, take a few minutes to review your preferences. You may want to reinstall plugins, select your preferred theme, customize your workspace layout, and restore any settings that helped your workflow. Starting with a clean configuration can often solve performance issues and eliminate conflicts caused by outdated settings. If you chose the rename method and later decide you want your previous setup back, simply close Obsidian, return to the app data location, delete the newly created Obsidian folder, and rename your backup folder back to Obsidian. When you reopen the application, your old configuration should return. As a best practice, consider creating backups before making major changes to Obsidian. Keeping a copy of your settings folder can save time and make troubleshooting much easier if something goes wrong in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can safely hard reset Obsidian and restore the application to its default state without risking your notes or vaults. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you in the next video.